Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Reate Knives K2 here with me for a maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content that I'm bringing to you guys, because it's gonna help me in cranking these videos out more and more. Let's get started. Pretty simple construction: T8, T10, backspacer. Let's just do it really careful, of course. So that is one, and it's out. That is the second one, and it's out as well. Very nicely made, these screws, I have to say. Just switch the bit to your T10 and start tackling this pivot screw right over here, which is spinning. So yeah, just a little bit of pressure in the back, and you don't need to use two screwdrivers. Just put it back here, gently open the blade like so, and the scale are going to pop open if you just wiggle them just really gently. Nice tolerances. There's some skeletonization going on. Caged bearings. There's a stop pin right here. We're just gonna clean this guy up nicely. So let's just take this kind of thing, pop the bearing here and here. You're gonna add a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just like that, on the, just a little bit like so, just to clean up these two guys like that. Just turn them around, and the grease is off. Really cool. Let's just do a little bit of cleaning of the tang of the blade, and here in the back, and let's clean these scales and the area here where the, oh, that's some nasty stuff. What is that? Just clean it out. That's good. And here we've got this area here also to clean very nicely, and we can just leave it here. Actually, let's just clean it underneath as well, like so, and it's done. I don't know if you hear the noise outside here, guys. I don't know what is going on. Hope it's bearable. And let's do with the nano oil, like 1, 2, and 3, and that's it. And 85 weight nano oil on the detent ball, just a little drop like so, and then you're back in business, guys, because the blade goes in and the other bearing goes in, and just a little of 1, 2, and 3 nano oilness going on. Put the pivot, the stop pin back. Scale is going to go back like so. Align everything like this. Let's just do the pivot let's do the pivot now. I'm gonna do just a tad of blue Loctite. Just a little bit, not that much, just like so, and that is in. And let's just screw this bad boy. We're gonna tune it in a second, and then screws for the handle, T8. Just be gentle, you don't need to force anything. That's in. You don't want to strip, mar, you don't want to do any of those nasty things to your screws, and that's in as well. Now we're gonna check that everything is in place. Let's make sure that's good. Let's, of course, not over tighten anything. And let's check this pivot here. How is it doing? Like that. Blade looks pretty centered to me. And the action, oh yeah, oh, it needed some tuning by Fab. Look at this, really cool. Now we are in business. Now this is a Reate that I know, you know, they're pretty famous for their action. It's pretty cool, and I have to say, the action is perfected. Mission accomplished. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.